Did you know there are over 20,000 cryptocurrencies? Most people only know Bitcoin, but that's just the start. Picture Bitcoin as the most famous soda in a massive supermarket. There are thousands of other drinks, each with its own flavor and fans. That's what altcoins are. The rest of the crypto aisle. It sounds overwhelming, but you don't need to know them all. The key is understanding that digital currency is diverse and innovative. Bitcoin launched the idea of decentralized money in 2009, but thousands of others have since tried to improve or do something new. Altcoin simply means any cryptocurrency that isn't Bitcoin. Think of it like cars. The first was revolutionary, but others came along, each with new features or purposes. Altcoins push the boundaries of what's possible with blockchain. While Bitcoin is the king, altcoins are where much of the experimentation happens. They're constantly evolving, solving unique problems, and serving different communities. So, let's dive in and see what makes these alternative coins so interesting. It's simpler than you think, and it's definitely worth knowing about. Let's keep it simple. An altcoin is any cryptocurrency that isn't Bitcoin. After Bitcoin proved digital money could work, new projects emerged. Some copied Bitcoin, others built from scratch. They all share one thing. They're alternatives to Bitcoin, each with unique features and goals. Think of search engines. Google is the giant, but Bing and DuckDuckGo offer different takes. Altcoins use blockchain technology, just like Bitcoin, but often tweak it for speed, privacy, or lower fees. Bitcoin's blockchain is a public ledger, secure, decentralized, and nearly impossible to alter. Altcoins build on this, aiming for improvements or new use cases. Some want faster transactions, others focus on privacy or new applications. Coins like Ethereum, Solana, and Dogecoin are all altcoins, same family, different personalities. Some are serious, some experimental, some just for fun. Altcoin isn't about quality, it's just the name for every crypto that followed Bitcoin. That's the big picture. Now, let's see how they differ. What sets altcoins apart from Bitcoin, and from each other? Purpose is a big one. Bitcoin is digital gold, a store of value. Many altcoins aim to power entire digital ecosystems. Take smart contracts. Ethereum pioneered these self-executing agreements, enabling decentralized apps and finance. Technology matters too. Bitcoin uses proof of work, energy-intensive and slow. Many altcoins use proof of stake, which is faster and greener. Tokenomics also vary. Bitcoin has a hard cap of 21 million coins. Some altcoins have unlimited supply, others burn coins to reduce supply. These choices shape how each coin works and what it's used for. Some altcoins are built for speed, others for privacy, and some for entirely new, digital experiences. The result? A diverse crypto landscape, each project with its own vision. That's why altcoins aren't just Bitcoin copies. They're experiments in what money and technology can be. Let's look at a few in action. The differences are where things get interesting. Here's how. Let's check out some of the most popular altcoins and what makes them unique. Ethereum is the second biggest crypto. Its big idea? Smart contracts, code that runs automatically, powering thousands of decentralized apps. Think of Ethereum as an operating system, with Ether as the fuel. Solana is all about speed and low fees, handling thousands of transactions per second, perfect for games and trading. Cardano takes a scientific approach, with peer-reviewed updates and a focus on security and sustainability. Ripple, XRP targets banks, aiming to make international payments fast and cheap. Each of these coins solves a different problem. Ethereum for apps, Solana for speed, Cardano for reliability, Ripple for finance. They're not just Bitcoin clones. They're unique projects with real-world goals. The diversity is what makes the altcoin space so dynamic. There's an altcoin for almost every digital need, and new ones are launching all the time. That's the power of innovation in crypto. Let's see why they exist. Why so many coins? It's about specialization and innovation. Bitcoin is great as digital gold, but it can't do everything, like run apps or handle millions of microtransactions. Altcoins fill those gaps, each designed for a specific job. They're also testbeds for new ideas. Faster networks, better privacy, new ways to govern. Some experiments fail, but others push the whole industry forward. Many altcoins use governance tokens, letting users vote on project changes, a kind of digital democracy. And yes, Some coins exist just for fun or community, like Dogecoin, which started as a joke but built a passionate following. Value in crypto isn't just technical, it's also about culture and community. Altcoins show how digital money can be more than just money. They're about innovation, participation, and sometimes just having fun. That's why the altcoin universe keeps growing. But it's not all upside. Let's get real about the risks. The altcoin world is exciting, but risky. Prices can swing wildly, sometimes 20% or more in a day. Many projects won't survive. Some are outright scams. Rug pulls happen when developers vanish with investors' money. That's why research is critical. Know the team, the product, and the plan. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. But the rewards can be huge if you spot a winner early. Think of early Ethereum investors. Beyond money, you can learn a lot and join communities shaping the future of tech. Altcoins are about more than profit. They're about building Web3, the next internet. The risks are real, but so is the potential. Stay curious, stay cautious, and always do your homework. The crypto frontier is wild, but it's where the future is being built. Ready for the next step? Let's recap. Bitcoin started it all, but altcoins are where innovation happens. They use new tech, serve different purposes, and come with both risks and rewards. Altcoins are the labs of the digital age, pushing boundaries in finance, art, and gaming. Not every project will succeed, but the ideas are changing how we use money and the internet. Understanding altcoins is now essential, not just for techies, but for anyone interested in the future. This is just your starting point. There's always more to learn. Explore, research, and join communities to keep up. Build your knowledge step by step. The crypto journey is just beginning, and you're already ahead. Stay curious, stay smart, and welcome to the world of altcoins. The adventure starts now.